In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake pedal pad in this Toyota 4Runner. Let's get into it. I'll just grab underneath the old pad and it just folds up. Slide that out, wipe it off. Take the new pad and it's going to just fold in just like that. Just like putting on a sheet, just fold it over. Slide it over the bottom. And that's it. There it is.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.